everyone, today I'm here with delicious and easy Persian chickpea cookies. Stay tuned. The ingredients are 2 cups of chickpea flour, 2 cups of white flour, 2 cups of sugar powder, 2 cups of solid oil, 2 yolks, 2 teaspoons cardamom powder, sesame, chocolate bar, pistachio powder, coconut powder. Mix oil, yolks, sugar powder and cardamom powder with mixer. For about 5 minutes. Sieve chickpea flour and white flour gently. Add 2 ingredients. Stir. Finally knead with hand. Put it in a plastic bag. Put it at room temperature for an hour.
1 hour later.
After an hour, take small part of dough. Make into balls. Place in grease-proof paper. Preheat the oven. Put cookies in it. Temperature should be 160 degrees. It needs 20 minutes. When cooking is done, let them cool. Decorate them with hot chocolate, pistachio powder, coconut powder, and sesame. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.